Oh, oh, YouTube, your search is over. My name is Arthur Gottlieb, and this is the king of all business opportunities, the one you've been waiting for. Average incomes are $200,000. You start for free, and you can succeed with a full-time job. It's home-based. You'll have no expenses. You'll sell every customer you visit, and I'll guarantee your success. Sounds unbelievable? I'll tell you again. Average incomes are $200,000. It's free to get started. You can succeed even with a full-time job. It's home-based without any expenses or overhead, and you will sell every customer you visit. And on top of that, I will guarantee your success. It's called targeted mail advertising, just like the Valpak, just like the Clipper magazine, just like the Red Plum. You probably get some of these things in the house right now, just like the Money Mailer. And this is not mailed, but it's the cheapest and most popular of all the advertising media franchises. This is the Coffee News. Now, these franchises, they cost $100,000 on average because it's such a great business. But you don't have to buy a franchise. You can learn to do it yourself on my website for free with the video tutorials that I have put there. Now, this is my product, and it's 10 times better than all the media franchises. I was able to take customers from all the other newspapers, magazines. I took them from everywhere, television, radio, and you'll be able to do the same thing, and I'll explain in a minute why you'll be able to do that. First of all, if you visit my website, nofranchiseneeded.com, you'll see all the videos and you'll see everything. Now, you're probably wondering, how in the world can I guarantee your success? What am I trying to cheat you? No. I want you to start for free. I want you to test drive the business. I want you to see in advance if you're qualified to do business with successful business owners. I want you to know before you start. That's how I can guarantee your success. What you do is you go around to your local businesses, some of them that you're shopping at, some of them that you know, it doesn't matter. And you tell them, listen, I'm looking at a newspaper franchise, and I'm going to be mailing my paper to everyone in your zip code, the business's zip code. And I'm going to have full color ads delivered in the mailbox, and they're going to be 1 cent per house. There's 3 people in a house. Does that make any sense to you? Do you have any interest? And you're going to get positive responses because they're all going to have interest. You're mailing the paper to everyone surrounding their business. How could they not have interest? Not only that, a business card costs 3 cents, and it stays under the counter forever with the roaches crawling on it. This is an ad that gets delivered in the mailbox. So they're going to have interest. So you start compiling your list of interested business owners and then consider going forward. And if you get interested, positive responses from the business owners, boom, I'll guarantee your success, because that's all it is. The other stuff is just technical that you could learn off my website, or you can hire me to help you. You can go forward with the information that's on my website, or you can hire me to help. And I just charge you for my time and effort. And I'll help you with the ad design, the paper layout, the printing, and the mailing. And you can get rich in this business doing this. To break it down for you, when you do a 24-page paper, which is average, you take in $20,000 of ad revenue, and that's at a penny a house. And most of them take bigger ads, so you're not selling so many ads. They take half-page, quarter-page, full pages. So, you're not going to be selling all the eighth of a page ads. Anyhow, you take in $20,000 worth of advertising revenue, and it cost $4,500 to print and mail 10,000 24-page papers. You color using the bulk mail system. So in other words, you'd be selling the business this ad for $100. You mail to 10,000, this ad's $100. If they take a half page, like a lot of them do, that's $400. Anyhow, you make almost $16,000 per issue. And it's normal to do 12 issues a year. That's just how it goes, So if you do 12 issues and you made $16,000 each issue, you're going to make $200,000 for the year. If you visit No Franchise Needed and watch the video tutorials, you could be collecting deposits in as little as 3 days' time, even sooner if you're smart. The link is in the description. And you can call me or email me, and I will examine your zip code. I'll tell you how many homes and businesses are in your zip code, and if it's a good fit for this business model. And don't worry, this is free also, because it's possible you live in the desert and there aren't, or a super rural area, and there aren't enough homes and businesses there to do this business. And selling to business, they call that B2B. And you couldn't get a better customer. They're rich. They never run out of money. And they're greedy. They want more business. And you're in the business of getting them more business. They're all advertising. And they're all looking for new and better ways to do it. And when they hear that you're mailing to all the homes in their zip code, all the households surrounding their business location, where 95% of their business comes from, boom, of course they have interest. How could they not? They'd have to be drunk. Just follow my program, NoFranchiseNeeded.com, and you will succeed. This has been around for 100 years, targeted direct mail advertising. It's not anything new. It's new that you can do it for free and do it for a fraction of the usual cost, because you don't pay any franchise fees or any royalties. There's no staff, there's no overhead, so you're able to kill everyone and get rich while you're doing it. And it gets even better, because after your first paper comes out, you just pass by the businesses every month and collect your check, because they all stay in your paper. There's nothing better that they could do. So you just go around visiting and collect your check. I mean, this was my retirement business, because it's so easy and so laid out. But anyhow, visit NoFranchiseNeeded.com or click the link in the description, and you can change your future in the next couple of days. And stop searching. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Again, my name is Arthur Gottlieb, and my references are even on the website. Bye-bye.